Welcome to Brooks Guitar Lessons. I am Bill Brooks. We're going to learn Horse with No Name. So stick around. Horse with No Name. So there's one key that America sings it in, the original 1970s version. And then there's another version that Michelle Branch sings it in. Let's see, America sings it in with E minor. And then this chord. I'm going to show you how to play the chord before I tell you the name of the chord, because it's a scary name and I don't want you to go to another channel. So E minor with the 2 and the 3, that's how I do it. And then they move for the second chord, the 2 goes on the 2nd fret of the 6th string, and the 3 goes on the 2nd fret of the 3rd string. That is called a D6 add 9 over F sharp. But it's a lot easier to play than it is to say. So it sounds like... like that. But when Michelle Branch sings it, she uses, or her guitarist uses a capo. Capo goes on the 2nd fret because it's better for her voice apparently. So they're playing a F minor. And the D chord becomes a E chord. An E6 add 9 slash whatever. You know what I'm talking about. It's an E something or other. You know I've been through the desert on a horse with no name. Good out of the rain. In the desert, you can't remember your name, but there ain't no one for to give you no pain. La, 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 la. Just like that. Okay, so the strumming pattern. On the E minor chord, I emphasize the downstroke. Strum, strum, and on the alphabet soup chord, emphasize the upstrokes. So up, 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 down, down, up, down, up, down, up, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down. On the first part of the journey, I was looking at a river. Okay, thank you for watching this channel. Keep on singing that song. It's an easy song to play. It's a fun song to sing. Pick up a capo at Amazon or your local music store. And remember to like, share, and subscribe to this channel so you can get more songs. And if there's nothing else, guitar class is dismissed.